डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट लेक्चर में अपन ऑर्डर्ड फील्ड पढ़ रहे थे। अब उस पर कुछ थ्योरम्स देखते हैं। फॉर एक्स वाई जेड बिलोंग्स टू एफ, फॉर सम ऑर्डर्ड फील्ड एफ वी हैव इफ एक्स ग्रेटर देन जीरो देन माइनस एक्स इज लेस देन जीरो, इफ एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो वाई इज लेस देन जेड देन एक्स वाई इज लेस देन एक्स जेड, if x is less than 0 y is less than z then xy is greater than xz। इसी तरह से if x not equal to 0 then x square is greater than 0 and if 0 less than x less than y then 0 less than y inverse less than x inverse। प्रूफ इनके बिल्कुल ऑब्वियस हैं, आप लोग इसे करके देखना। Now we come to the real field. It is tempting to combine the definitions we have introduced so far. We can imagine some ordered field which has the least upper bound property containing the rational numbers q. In fact, this is the familiar set of real numbers r as shown in the following theorem. There exists an ordered field R with the least upper bound property, and in fact it contains Q as a subfield. Specifically, this means that Q is subset of R and that the field operations in R coincide with the field operations in Q. रेफरेंस के लिए अगर आप इसे देखना चाहें तो रूडिन की बुक में ये डिटेल में मिलेगा। Now we come to the next theorem. From here we can derive the following properties in R. If xy belongs to R and x greater than 0, then there is a positive integer n such that nx is greater than y. If x less than y, in R there exists q belongs to q with x less than q less than y. For every x greater than 0 in R, there exists one and only one positive y belongs to R such that yn equal to x for every positive integer n. And if ab greater than 0 and n greater than 0, then ab to the power 1 by n equal to a to the power 1 by n, b to the power 1 by n. Now we come to the extended real number system. The extended real number system consists of R and two symbols plus infinite and minus infinite with the normal order and minus infinite less than x less than infinite for all x belongs to R. It is customary to define the following result of operations: x plus infinite equal to plus infinite, x minus infinite equal to minus infinite, x upon plus infinite equal to x upon minus infinite equal to 0. If x greater than 0, then x into plus infinite equal to plus infinite, x less than 0, then x into plus infinite equal to minus infinite. Now we come to the complex field. Just to define it, a complex number is an ordered pair AB of real numbers. We denote it with by C, the set of all complex numbers. Two ordered pairs are equal if their components are equal. Also we define definition है कि कैसे दो complex numbers को अपन ऐड कर सकते हैं। तो ये था कुछ रियल नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर